Good morning, children. Today's topic of social studies is invention of wheel for class 2 children. Thousands of years ago, the earth was inhabited by the early humans. Their lifestyle was different from ours. They used to travel from one place to another in search of food and shelter. They used to travel on foot and had to carry their own loads. This is because there were no carts then, as the wheel had not been invented. This picture shows the early people's lifestyle: plucking fruits, gathering fruits in the baskets, drying the fish, digging the earth, carrying food, reaping the crop, using spear. This is the lifestyle of the early people, children. This picture shows the lifestyle. Some more pictures. This pictures they are making shelter, catching fish, using weapons, tools, plowing the field, lifestyle of a early people's family, use of microlith stone sickle, here carrying food. This is also carrying the food. All these pictures shows the lifestyle of the early people. Early people's gathering food. This picture shows you very clearly the gathering food scenes of the early people and the stone tools used by the early people. It is believed that one day the early people saw a log roll down a hill. This gave them an idea of making the wheel to reduce their effort, children. This picture shows that scene, children. Then the early man, he tied a few logs together, placed the load on it, and now he could drag it for a longer distance. This picture shows, children. Gradually, he started to cut round pieces from a log. These logs are cut into the round pieces. Living close to the rivers, early humans noticed some logs of wood floating in the water. They tied a few logs together to carry loads and also making a raft which helped them to travel by water. This picture shows tying all the logs and carrying loads like hunted animals, and this picture shows tying of the logs and traveling, children. These two pictures making rafts. Next, later these people got the idea of making the carts. They also used domestic animals to pull them, but carts without wheels moved slowly. Then he made two holes at the center of the two wheels and attached a stick through them like this. Then he placed a few more pieces of wood to make a cart. Now he could easily carry loads wherever he wanted, and so the wheel was invented. See, he could make the carts. The uses of wheel. Do you all know, children? Do you all know the fact the wheel was first used by the Sumerians? Now the uses of wheel. With time, many improvements were made in the wheel. Humans started using it for other activities also, like making clay pots. This wheel called the potter's wheel. See, here people using to make the pots, clay pots. So this wheel called the potter's wheel is used even today to make clay pots and utensils. The greatest use of wheel is transportation, children. Carts driven by animals were made with reduced human effort in traveling for long distances. See, wheels are made and carts are used. This is Tonga, bullock cart. Stages in the development of wheels. This picture shows. So the advent of the wheel together with the science and technology has changed the way we travel today. It was as a result of the wheel that the automobile industry came into being. See, wheels are used in cars, bikes, auto rickshaw, e-rickshaw, bus, metro, and modern days for shoes, for suitcases, trolleys, like this. So this is the lesson for the wheel, how early man invented the wheel. Task for this video is If wheel would have not been invented, what problems do you face in your daily life? Write few sentences about this topic. Thank you all children. Have a nice day.